Are you an English literature student eager to unravel the mysteries of literature? Do you seek guidance and clarity amidst the vast texts and syllabi? Welcome to our heaven of learning and exploration, NibblePop. I am Monami Mukherjee, your guide on this enlightening journey. We believe in the power of knowledge sharing and making education accessible to all. That's why we offer free, comprehensive lectures on various texts, carefully breaking them down, unraveling their themes, and providing valuable insights. Our mission is to make the daunting texts understandable and deeply fascinating. But that's not all. We offer additional study materials, articles, and resources to support your academic journey, letting you explore literature from different angles. And guess what? We've got your back for exam prep too. Our essential tips and techniques will boost your confidence and help you excel in your career. Our community is not bound by geographical borders. We are humbled by the overwhelming support and gratitude we receive from students whose lives have been touched by NibblePop. Your success stories inspire us to keep the fire of learning burning bright. So, if you are an English literature student hungry for knowledge, craving guidance, ready to unlock your full literary potential, hit that subscribe button now and let's embark on this exciting journey together.